My name is Twan Altena and I am an application engineer at De Hoek van Kerosi. We can divide the PECM process into three main operations in order to remove material from the workpiece. There are a front gap, side gap and polishing operation. I will tell you more about these processes in the next following slides. With a front forming or front gap operation, we can achieve the highest accuracy. We can achieve micron range accuracy and a high gloss surface quality. In this operation we use a flat or profile shaped electrode. At the bottom of the electrode we have a frontal gap of about 10 to 30 microns when the electrode is at its lowest point in the oscillation. When we are removing material, a gap develops at the side of the electrode, which can range between 50 to 80 microns. These gaps need to be taken into account so that the final geometry of the part can be achieved. The electrode always needs to be thinner than the contour it needs to make. These gaps are very important in order to design the electrode, and the size of the gaps are highly dependent on the flow of the electrolyte and the chosen parameters in the process. The highest accuracy and surface quality is achieved at the front gap side of the electrode. At the side gap, a lower accuracy and surface quality is achieved due to a lower current density. A circumferential or a side gap operation can be used to make, for example, splines, sprockets or leaf springs. This operation is mostly performed in existing holes or gaps. The accuracy and surface quality is lower than compared to a frontal operation. On average, an accuracy of about 20 micron can be achieved, but it is possible to get a more accurate process when developed further. For this operation we use an angled preform electrode. After a preform we have a straight electrode, which determines the final geometry of the product. The side gap can range between 80 to 150 microns. In polishing or ECM operations, the main goal is to improve surface quality, but we can also use it as a material removal strategy. With this strategy, an accuracy of about 20 micron can be achieved with a low surface roughness. A higher accuracy can be achieved if you optimize the process further. For a front gap polishing operation, the electrode is set on a certain height. Power is applied, after which the front material removal will start. For this, a larger gap of about 0.1 mm is used. At the side gap polishing operation, the oscillator is switched off. For a frontal operation, the oscillator can be switched on in order to improve flushing of the electrolyte. This ECM operation can be used together with a regular front or side gap operation in order to improve the surface quality of the part. I would like to thank you for your attention and interest in the PECM technique. I will hope to see you later at De Hoek. Goodbye.